Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Neza Alfitri. I am from the English Language Study Program Class A in 2024 with ID number 240211012. Medicine men and modern doctors in most urban and suburban areas throughout the world, sick people are taken to a doctor's office or to a hospital for treatment. But among tribal and village people in many countries, patients are taken instead to a local medicine man. This medicine man is a combination of a doctor, priest, and psychologist. Some of his folk methods are similar to those of an urban doctors, but most are very much different. The difference in methods is a result of the fact that the disease to the modern scientific mind is pure as something natural. It is caused by virus, bacteria, and other small things that we cannot see without a microscope. By contrast, in much of the world, disease is considered to be something supernatural. In other words, sickness is not caused by something physical, but instead is the result of deep anger, broken religious laws, the heads of enemies, and so on. An urban physician knows how to treat a specific disease. A medicine man, however, treats the whole person and often the patient family and friends as well. Prevention of disease. Of course, there may be no need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness. Modern physicians might tell his patient what to eat, how much to exercise, when and here to relax and the like. A medicine man, on the other hand, tells his patient to wear amulets, special necklaces for protection against bad nevertheless. In both village and urban scientists, people do become ill and sometimes seek medical help. The diagnosis. The first step is any treatment, of course, is the diagnosis. The doctor, so the medicine man has to find out why the patient is ill and decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis, both are short symptoms. The patient complaining about headaches, stomach aches, insomnia, skin rash, but the similarity in method ends there. The doctor's next step is to give blood tests, takes X-rays, while the medicine man works supernatural method. He might ask the patient about his dreams. We astrology, we astrology to find the cause of the problem in the stars, or go into a trance condition of deep concentration in which he doesn't function normally. It's an effort to contact spirits on or other being outside the world. The cure. After the diagnosis comes the cure. In modern medicine, the solution usually means one or more of the following the same methods that are used for prevention: healthful foods, rest, exercise, perhaps warm bath or massage, drugs or surgery. Likewise, folk medicine includes some of the same cures as in the diagnosis. However, a medicine man also used a wide variety of supernatural methods in his cures. Two of the most common are exorcism and soul hounds. Exorcism is based on the belief the disease is caused by bad spirits. Thus, in an exorcism ceremony, the medicine man performs a number of traditional activities to take the evil beings out of the victim's body. Songs, dance, and religious prayers are part of any exorcism, and soul hands include them as well. In these ceremonies, the medicine man tries to persuade the victim's souls, which are believed to have left their bodies, to return. A typical tribal ceremony. The Endebu people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of a relative, friend, or enemy. The emotion, they say, causes a tooth to enter the body of the person who is the target or the anger and to create disease. When the medicine man decide which body part contain the evil tooth, he calls together the victim's relatives and friends to watch a ceremony at the end of which he removes it from the patient's throat, arm, and stomachs. Although the patient and the villagers know what has happened, that the tooth has been hidden inside the medicine man's mouth the whole time. The patient is often cured. The Endebu ceremony is typical of treatment around the world in which stones, insects, or small spears are taken out of sick people. Despite scientific evidence that supports the effectiveness of such method, the fact remains that the treatment are often successful and many villagers prefer to be cured in this way than by a modern physician. The success of medicine man. Scientists ask how medicine men can actually be successful in their treatment and why they are so popular. The answer probably lie in a combination of the following reasons. First, supernatural ceremonies are symbolic, and the people who participate in them believe deeply in the symbol. Even Western physicians agree that patients with deep faith believe in good. Their doctors, the drugs they take, image or symbol will regain their health faster than patients title hope with little hope. Second, ceremonies may be effective because people come together for a common goal. Patients see how many people in their communities care about the cure. In addition, these communal meetings provide socially acceptable opportunities for the people of the village to express what they feel. Social and psychological problems can be solved along with the physical ones of the sick person. Fourth, scientists theorize that the trans part of the ceremony's product contains chemicals in the body, which then work to help cure the disease. Finally, many of the medicine man's natural drugs, which come from a nearby forest, jungle, or desert, have been found to be medically effective. Scientists are fascinated by what they learn method of tribal medicine man.